What's going on, everybody? It's Friday. What's really going on? I'll let y'all see what's going on in our world. You know, we always tearing something up or doing something crazy and dumb. We got to fix the front end in this one. Then we got to... I'll let y'all see what my world looking like, y'all. I got plenty of fun time. Hold on one second, y'all stick with me. Gotta put a transmission in the Hummingbird. The motor out of Heifer. The motor blowed up in Heifer, so we gotta get it fixed. We gotta be in Crossville. We got Old Heavy running, that's a good thing. We got to be in Crossville this coming Saturday, the 16th. There's going to be a small tire race in Crossville. So we got to be there. And it's going to have a great time. It's going to be some really fast racers there. And there's the motor that come out of Old Heavy. The valve cover, where the vacuum release thing was, it broke when I was doing a wheelie straight up in the air. And all the oil poured out. So we got a rod. We got Old Heavy back going. And then the Queen. Ooh, y'all know Gilligan Island? That's Memphis Street Outlaws Gilligan. He don't know much about starters, but he can do some welding. He can take clothes hanger rod. She blow the motor up, crack the block. Look at that. Even the block cracked. Right there. That ain't good. That ain't a crack. Smoke needs, that's a crack in the block. And then we got little Lee right here. He'll sleep. What's your name, boy? Huh? Got that cast off that arm. You ready now, ain't you? Lee been asleep the whole time, chewing tobacco. We got the Queen radio, don't we? What you say? Bet the money on the Queen, Lee? What about her little slow cousin, the one that got, her slow sister, one got parvo? 15%. But on Queenie, what you say it was? Bet all of it. Oh, Queenie got them overhauls on. I don't know what's going on under here. Can y'all see what they doing? What y'all working on over here?
Oh my God. We got to take the starter off, get the oil pan off, because they bent the oil pan so you can't get to the boat. So
Ooh-wee.
now we got to take the whole starter off and get it all off.
And they working on back door. We gonna make Prescott, that's what I'm asking. Oh, we gonna make it if I do all the work.
Oh, yeah. We're going to work sun up, sun down. We're going to get there.
Don't worry about it. If you can't get this thing going, the good thing you got going for you, Chelsea, is your sister got it covered. You know what? Y'all get ready to talk. Somebody want to talk. Mark Michaels, there he is. That's the man with the plane.
You let me put the engine and ink going in. They want to come up.
Children. Somebody said, why you call your car back door? Because it flies out the back door?
I ain't going to say nothing, but you put header bolts in everything.
That might be me and my partner, Brian Britt. Sometimes we get to drinking that down Dr. Tish. When me and Brian Britt drinking Dr. Tish, we allowed to do anything. You ever drink the Dr. Tish? Gilligan, what in the world are you doing, son?
Oh, man, doing a little fab work here.
You doing some fab work?
A little bit of fab work.
You know the starter don't go right there, don't you?
Uh-huh.
You know the starter don't go right there.
I thought it was alternator.
Oh, okay. You think Lee Roberts your daddy? Huh? We might have to have a blood test. What's going on, Angela? What's going on, Charles? What's up, Ricky? What's going on, Jennifer? What's up, Jeffrey? Phil? Yeah, we're going to be in Prescott. We're going to get all this stuff fixed. We ain't got no whole lot to fix, just everything. What you looking for, midget?
Something to get that starter off with.
Uh-oh. Use a monkey wrench. Lee got it straight wired in over to the fuse box or something. Yeah. You can turn it on. Yeah, go ahead. All right, y'all. We working. They ain't gonna get much done unless I do it. We gonna see y'all in Prescott this Saturday. Not this Saturday, next Saturday, the 16th. Small tie. Queenie, somebody wanna know if they place the odds, can you win the small tie?
Yeah, no.
What's the odds? Me and Lee said 99%. We said the only way that Queenie ain't gonna get the money is if the car break. If the car don't break, you know what that means? If the car don't break.
Oh, but they always.
All right, y'all heard it. I ain't tell y'all that. I tell you any damn thing. I might tell you now, rooster dip snuff. But the Queen tell you, like she said about old heavy. She said it weighed. How much old heavy weigh?
4720 with an extra bag.
All right, that ain't a 4,000 pound worth of storytelling. All right, we're gonna jump off here, y'all. What's going on, everybody? Let everybody jump on here with me. I got something to show y'all. We got a competition of Friday night. I ain't gonna get this one wrong. I got the last live feed. I was a little bit wrong.
Saturday.
Hold on, Queenie. Where we going?
We're going to Prescott,
Arkansas.
Saturday the 16th.
Man, I can't believe I was wrong. What I said?
You said wrong.
I might have said anything. I'm crazy. You can't believe it. Check us out. We going to Prescott. Right now, we in competition. Queenie getting ready to take her shoes off, and Lee gonna take his shoes off. We got a pretty foot contest. Who voting on Lee Roberts got the prettiest foot? Who voting on Precious got the prettiest foot? Take yours off. Let's see. Take your shoe off. Let's see. You ain't got no corns on your toe, do you?
No, I ain't got no corns on my toes.
But they ain't painted. They looking a little rough.
Yeah, that's a little rough. They ain't
Little rough. Lee keep his painted. Murder Nova ain't got nothing on Lee. Uh-oh. All right, Lee.
Now we done.
You just gonna give up the competition, or you think she got it?
I think she got it.
She got it? All right, y'all. Lee giving up the competition. Look over there. I don't know what midget them doing.
They working on something.
Y'all getting it ready for Prescott, Arkansas. Let me recorrect that, because y'all know I'll mess up.
Prescott, Arkansas, October the 16th.
And if anybody want to talk, y'all see Mark Michaels. He ready to talk.
I'm ready to talk.
Mark Michaels gonna talk to y'all. How many people? We on the right one?
What?
We on the right page? You probably had me
Yeah,
Japanese.
we on the right page.
Boy, y'all ugly. We got some ugly kids down here in Tennessee.
No, we're not.
Uh-oh. See my block? She getting ready to fix the block. She working on the block. Where the block broke. Y'all see that block broke right there? Nah, the block ain't broke on this, and that's why she working on it. Block broke on the other one. What's going on, Christopher? Lee Roberts' wife, she a big shot. She don't do no working. She don't get. She work in the office. I think she owned the office. Night Force gonna be there, y'all. I think he got a brand new 6-cylinder on that thing. 250. It's Prescott, Arkansas, y'all.
Prescott, Arkansas, October 16th.
October the 16th. Small tie. And daily driver. Yeah, daily driver too. Y'all better get that daily driver stuff right, because Brian Britt, he ain't playing now. He ain't playing around with Brian Britt by the boot. Look at that. I don't got but down. I ain't got but 3,500 people on here. What's going on? I think you're on the wrong page.
No, we're on the right page, I promise.
Everybody might be drunk.
Yeah, we're on the right page now.
What kind of heads is them? Ooh, I ain't gonna cuss.
BMS. Bad mother. I wouldn't say that word.
Can't cuss. I got a picture of my
wouldn't
kids
say
in my
that
pocket.
I have to say bad BMS.
In my pocket, I got it. What you doing, ma'am?
Tim apart. I'm filling vacuums up off yours. Of mine. You don't need it.
What's going on, Tom? What's up, Brenda? What's going on, JC? What's going on, Gerald? Talk to him, Queen. In my eyes, I can't see. Then I'll talk back to him.
Okay. What's up, guys?
Tell him where we're gonna be. I don't know where we're gonna be.
Somewhere. We're gonna be at Prescott, Arkansas, guys, October the 16th, doing small tire and just I found out daily driver as well.
Let me see if I can get a hold of you. If I get a hold of Adrian, I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna get farm truck over there. I'm gonna go and get farm truck out of the way. I'm gonna take over here the kick farm truck tail and Prescott. Let me see if I get a hold of Adrian. I might just whoop farm truck at Prescott when I get there.
What's up, Dennis, David, Kyle, William,
hold on, Quinn.
Johnny? What?
We're gonna call Adrian.
Okay.
And I'm gonna tell him I'm gonna call farm truck out. We might, Prescott, Arkansas, a good place. 16th, we get on farm truck. I'm gonna give him a hit.
Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? What's up, Jesse?
Adrian might be out of minutes.
Tony.
I'm gonna take over here and kick the dog mess out of the farm truck. Jeff Bonnet. I thought his name was Asian.
What's up, Jeff?
Let's see what Axman say. See if he
Jason.
thank you.
Richard.
See if Axman thank you.
Uh-oh. We're gonna get Axman on the phone. Memphis Larry.
Memphis Larry, thank you. Over heavy.
What? Boss man keep a flip phone. That's all he know. He a dinosaur for real.
Hey, check this out.
Rob. What's up, Rob?
I might need you going half with me on the bet. You with me or not?
We're gonna ride together.
All right. I'm gonna take over heavy. I'm kicking farm truck's tail. I'm gonna call him out to Prescott, Arkansas. When is it?
Prescott, October the 16th.
October 16th. If they want to run for some, you take half the bet. So they might outbet me now. You got half of the bet?
I definitely got half of that bet.
You think old heavy can whoop farm trucks?
Oh, I know old heavy will come from truck.
I'm gonna tell you what they said. Don't bet against old heavy. All right then.
Never bet against old heavy, boy.
I'm gonna call them out. I'm gonna get on their tail. I'm gonna call them out.
I don't think nobody got to run old heavy now.
All right. You gonna ride with me when I race him? We're gonna let farm truck. He gonna be in there with Asian, and Asian gonna be looking funny as all get out. But I'm gonna one up him. I'm gonna have Memphis Larry in there. He gonna know he tripolar.
That was part of the bet.
You gotta ride with me, fool. And then if they want to, we'll hook a chain up after it's over with. We'll say who will pull each other.
I thought we were just betting. I didn't realize I was going up and riding.
Yeah, you gotta ride with me for your money.
I thought the last time I got out of heavy, the last time I had to ride over heavy.
Did you take that blood pressure medicine I gave you?
I'm gonna have to take some next
I think it was Cinepril or something. Be careful.
Oh, heavy scared me. I ain't gonna lie. The people that want to ride it over heavy,
They crazy. They crazy. All right. I'm finna see if I can get a hold of him. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna holler at you. I'm finna talk trash for you to take half my bet. Hey, make sure you bring the money, because them fools I'll show up with a bunch of money and I can't cover it. I'll be had to hawk old heavy.
You tell them the name. All they can count up.
All they count up. All right. All right. We'll see.
Thank y'all, James.
We got a bet now. All I gotta do is talk trash. All right, y'all. Then I gotta get the cards ready. I gotta get them playing. Don't think I ain't got old heavy out here now. Don't think I ain't now. I'm gonna talk a lot of trash, but sometimes I be serious. I got old heavy right out here. These my friends. There's a big shot. See the big shot brick house? That's Lee Roberts. One thing about him, he got a fast car and a pretty woman with all kind of money. Y'all think I'm playing? Y'all don't think I don't got old heavy right in there? Get in there, Queen, and see if it'll crank up. I bet you old heavy will crank. Be careful. That thing make us power. See if it'll crank.
Yes, sir.
I got the power. Old heavy right. You gonna ride in there with me and Axman?
Yeah, I'll get the milk.
All right, that's a deal. I hate to whoop up my old farm truck, but he my buddy. I like them dudes. They super cool. I love them, but I might have to whoop them. Ooh-wee. but she getting old heavy.
I love old heavy.
Come on out, little Queen. All right, y'all. I gotta get to work now to let my big mouth overload my tail. You know it's gonna be hard. If they do accept the call out, it's gonna be hard to beat that farm truck. All right, we're gonna holler at y'all.